Ever wondered how Maruti Suzuki prepares cars for unexpected hazards at its state-of-the-art crash testing facility? A car
3, 2, 1, start.
The crash is then carried out to study front and side impact on the cars as per Indian regulations. Maruti Suzuki cars combine a safe zone for protecting the passenger compartment and a crushable zone for absorbing impact called the crumple zone. A car undergoes more than 50 crash tests before it is introduced in the market. The impact on dummies, deployment of airbags, damage to seats and all other interior parts are also evaluated very meticulously. By carrying out crash